Conservative estimate ko lang yung at least mapasa namin ito on second reading before we have this break before before the elections.
And dun sa franchise area ba ng Meralco, tama ba, Senator, wala namang iba na pwedeng pumalit sa Meralco sa franchise area nila?
Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi dun sa mga colleagues ko, sinong papalit natin na bago, na independent, na pagtitiwalaan ba natin na ngayon papasok first time and with this big, huge responsibility. And again, and I'm not at liberty to discuss some security concerns na kailangan ng ating bayan. Meralco is playing a significant role, to be honest with you, no? Yung contribution nila, not only in our economy, but also in ensuring the safety of our nation.